Hey everybody, this is Kevin at Woodcraft here to tell you about some new Camillus Cutlery knife kits we have. Like all Camillus Cutlery kits, these come with the nylon sheath, the rivets that you need to put the scales on, and detailed instructions, making them a great project for any skill level. All of these are made out of titanium bonded cutlery grade 420 stainless steel, giving them a Rockwell hardness of HRC 54, which is about 3 times harder than untreated steel. First up, we have the mask, which is 3/32 of an inch thick, 9 inches overall, with a 4-inch blade length, making it a great general purpose knife. Next, we've got the chunk. This is 9/64 of an inch thick with 9 7/16 overall length and a 4 7/16 blade length. It has a drop point cleaver style blade, making it great to store with your camping gear and chop up your tinder. Lastly, we've got the hide. It's 1/8 of an inch thick, 17 inches overall, with a 10 5/8 blade length, with 8 inches of aggressive quadruple ground teeth on the back for sawing. This would make a great survival tool or clearing brush in your yard. All of them also have a lanyard hole, so you can attach some paracord. To finish off your knives, we've got a selection of knife scales from teak and Coca-Cola wood up to the new G10 and micarta knife scales that are going to be resin infused, making them waterproof, and it's going to go great on all of these outdoor survival knives. To learn more and check them out in person, visit your local Woodcraft store or woodcraft.com.